Trust You presents 10 Things to Do When You Feel Insecure. Feeling insecure is a common experience for many people. Whether it's due to a lack of confidence, fear of rejection, or comparison to others, insecurity can affect all aspects of life. However, there are several things you can do to manage these feelings and regain your confidence. In this video, we'll explore 10 strategies you can use to overcome insecurity and feel more self-assured. 1. Identify the source of your insecurity. The first step in overcoming insecurity is to identify what's causing it. Take some time to reflect on your feelings and try to pinpoint the specific source of your insecurity. Is it related to your appearance, relationships, or career? Once you know what's causing your insecurity, you can start to develop a plan to address it. 2. Practice self-compassion. It's easy to be hard on ourselves when we're feeling insecure, but it's essential to practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and recognize that everyone has insecurities. Instead of criticizing yourself, try to talk to yourself as you would a good friend. 3. Focus on your strengths. When you're feeling insecure, it's easy to focus on your weaknesses. Instead, try to focus on your strengths. Take some time to write down your talents, skills, and accomplishments. Recognizing what you're good at can help boost your confidence. 4. Set realistic goals. Setting goals is an excellent way to boost your confidence, but it's important to set realistic ones. If you set goals that are too lofty, you may set yourself up for failure and feel even more insecure. Instead, set goals that are challenging but achievable. 5. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your confidence. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who uplift you and make you feel good about yourself. 6. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a practice that involves focusing your attention on the present moment. When you're feeling insecure, it's easy to get lost in negative thoughts and worries about the future. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay grounded and present. 7. Try something new. Trying something new can be a great way to boost your confidence. Whether it's taking a class, learning a new skill, or trying a new hobby, stepping out of your comfort zone can help you feel more self-assured. 8. Exercise regularly. Exercise is an excellent way to boost your confidence and reduce feelings of insecurity. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Plus, regular exercise can help you feel more confident in your body. 9. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude involves focusing on the things in your life that you're grateful for. When you're feeling insecure, it's easy to focus on what's wrong. Instead, try to focus on what's right. Take some time each day to write down a few things you're grateful for. 10. Seek professional help. If your insecurity is interfering with your daily life, it may be time to seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can help you identify the root cause of your insecurity and develop strategies to manage it. In conclusion, feeling insecure is a common experience, but there are several things you can do to manage these feelings and feel more self-assured. Whether it's identifying the source of your insecurity, practicing self-compassion, or seeking professional help, taking action can help you overcome insecurity and live a more confident life. If you like the video and you want to help the channel grow, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and obviously subscribe to the channel by activating notifications so you don't miss any news. Thanks for watching.